Welcome to our deep dive into the future of gardening, where technology meets nature. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of gardening automation with AI, a revolution that's transforming how we interact with our green spaces. Imagine a world where your garden can manage itself, watering, weeding, and fertilizing without a human touch. AI-powered systems are making this dream a reality, utilizing sensors and data analytics to care for plants more efficiently than ever. From smart sprinklers that adjust watering based on weather forecasts to robotic weeders that precisely target unwanted plants. These innovations are not just futuristic concepts, but are available today, making gardening more accessible and sustainable. But why turn to AI for gardening? This segment highlights the key benefits, including water conservation, optimal plant growth, and the reduction of labor-intensive tasks. AI gardening also opens up new possibilities for urban agriculture, enabling city dwellers to grow fresh produce in limited spaces. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. We address the challenges facing AI gardening, such as the initial setup costs, the need for technical knowledge, and concerns about data privacy. Despite these hurdles, the potential for positive impact on our environment and lifestyle is immense. As we wrap up, we reflect on the future of gardening in an AI-driven world. With advancements in technology, the way we interact with nature is evolving. Gardening automation with AI not only enhances our gardening experience, but also promises a greener, more sustainable future. Are you ready to embrace the future of gardening? Join the revolution and explore how AI can transform your green spaces. Subscribe for more insights into how technology is reshaping our world.